Now this is how you perform the shield cast into a uppercut together with the adjustable steel club from our partner CK Maceworks. Start by bringing up your club to rack position. Don't put it in front of your face. I prefer having it outside on my body's perimeter. My right hand index finger comes out to indicate in what direction I start to drop. Then I grab the club like this. I pivot in my ankle, knee, and hip joints simultaneously as I drive the hand closest to the head of the club up into a uppercut. So grab, slowly pivot in, boom, that is your top position. Repeat into a shield cast, bam. Notice my hand position, how it's constantly adjusting based upon my left or my right hand side. Grab, shield cast, grab, in. This is a little faster pace. I fucking love this movement and I know that you will as well. Click the link that we have in the description to learn more about the offer that we have for the Savage Army to invest in your very own steel club. I'm here for you and let's fucking go!